To upload a file to Pardot, go to Marketing, Content, Files, and then click Upload. Once your file is uploaded, you can see all the prospects who have clicked on or interacted with your file, and you can see how many times it's been viewed by all users, not just cookied users. And you can add completion actions to all files. Here, we're going to add this specific piece of content to a Salesforce campaign every time it's downloaded. Another benefit to using Pardot files is being able to change the underlying file without having to change all your email templates that lead up to it. So if you have pricing that you need to change that's referenced in multiple email templates, you can just change it once here, and you don't need to change the URL in all the templates which reference this file. Now you click Save. Now your asset is ready to be leveraged across all platforms, including Pardot.